The name of the Wanfenglen is not an exaggeration. More than 20,000 cone-shaped peaks stand tall on this land. They are mountains of stone and masterpieces of flowing water. For countless millions of years, water has slowly carved along the rock fissures, creating this magnificent landscape on the limestone-covered plateau. Under the intricate actions of water, soluble rocks have been continuously transformed from the surface to the depths below, gradually forming a diverse and splendid karst landform. Such a landform is abundant in Guizhou, earning it the title of the Kingdom of Natural Beauty.